on Sunrise from Gibson County. Princeton police officers are ready for anything.
This week, officers took part in simulated training, which puts them in everyday scenarios so they can practice, how to react. Jim Stratman had a chance to experience that training firsthand. Welcome back, Jim.
Thank you, Dan and Shaylee. On the surface, it might look like a video game, but it's more than that. This is Firearm Training Simulation, or FATS for short, and it gives cops a chance to train in a safe environment.
I see somebody in the window.
Some will end with absolutely nothing happening.
Police, drop the gun, drop the gun.
Others will end in shootings.
These are the scenarios police officers face every day. So the Princeton Police Department is giving their officers simulated training to help sharpen their decision making.
Your goal is to diffuse a situation with your words. It can't always happen that way, and sometimes things are tense, uncertain, and rapidly evolving, and you never know how quick it's going to go.
Where's the shooter at? Where's the shooter at?
The FATS training allows officers to work through real-life scenarios, and it gives Police Chief Derek McGraw a chance to critique and teach.
Should you have had your gun out? Should you have not have had your gun out? Should you have used less lethal, because we have a taser option here? Should you have used your words better? In a high-stress environment, it's what you try to create in training. We're not wanting them to fail, but we need them to fail here and not in the street.
These scenarios range from a simple traffic stop to a school shooting and everything in between. And they review everything from vocal commands.
Step out from behind the wall.
To snap decision making.
We have 3 seconds to decide something that's going to get litigated for 3 years, and looked at from 100 different viewpoints. So we want to try to put as much vital training into this as we can so we make the right decision in those 3 seconds.
Chief McGraw tells me that this kind of training is invaluable for his officers and that each officer in the department was put through several different scenarios. He said they made sure that some of those scenarios weren't win-win. He said that not every situation in the field has that peaceful resolution, so the more lifelike this training is, the better for the officers. Shaylee?